A multi-sectional partnership tagged Alliance for Epidemic Preparedness and Response has been launched in Lagos by the Minister of Health, Isaac Adewale. The project, a collaboration between Private Sector Alliance of Nigeria and Nigerian Center for Disease Control, is aimed at enhancing Nigeria's ability to prevent, detect, respond and control disease outbreak. Joyken Abakuya has details.
The 2014 Ebola outbreak, the response and the role of both the public and private organizations in containing the epidemic brought to the fore the importance of partnership, especially in the health sector. The Alliance for Epidemic Preparedness and Response project is an opportunity for government to involve the private sector in preventing and managing disease outbreaks.
The Alliance is of strategic importance to us for quite a number of reasons. We want to really benefit from the efficiency, the result-oriented approach of the private sector and the resources available in the private sector.
They also have management skills, they have financial management skills, they have all sorts of capabilities with supply chain management. Those are the assets they can bring on board for us to go to achieve the objectives of protecting Nigerians.
What we're saying here is that there must be a structure in place that involves everybody, because the private sector has the full resources in different aspects of what we need, and if they can jointly partner with the public sector, I think the system will be better for it.
Director General, Nigerian Center for Disease Control, NCDC, Dr. Chikwe Ihekweazu, says over 4 billion naira is expected to be raised by the partnership to improve infrastructure, direct response, and emergency stockpile in the nation's disease control sector.
This is not a responsibility that can be left for public sector parastatal alone. It's really something that we have to collectively come together. And we know we can do it because we saw it happen during the Ebola outbreak, but we want to do it in a more proactive way, in a more strategic way. So today we brought together the big players in the private sector together with the public sector to show that we can work together and really leverage on the resources, capacities and resources that we have.
And we're excited that with over 55 companies and corporates that have committed to being part of this alliance, that will be better equipped. We'll have a private sector that is better primed in terms of preventing and being more prepared for any future infectious diseases or epidemics.
Panelists at the forum lauded the initiative, which they say, if sustained, will reduce the burden of infectious diseases and epidemics. In Lagos, Joyken Abakuya, NTA News.